back, travelers. I know it's been a while. I'm working on it. I'm the worst YouTuber in the entire world. But hey, hopefully soon I'm going to be having a little bit more time on my hands. We'll get into that in a different video. But holidays are coming up, so expect more videos from me soon. But today, for those of you who follow me on Instagram, know I've been renovating my room, completely redoing it. And today, after giving some hints on Instagram from like pictures, I am finally ready to show people. It's still a work in progress, so it's not 100% done, but it looks pretty awesome right now, so I'm excited to show everyone. So this video is going to be super short, but it's mainly just going to kind of be talking about my room and showing off my room a little bit. If anything, it'll probably just be a little montage video, but I wanted to show everyone, and then, you know, once Halloween ends, we might have to do a Christmas haul, and I'll decorate for Christmas because Christmas starts November 1st in my book. But anyways, let's dive right on in. I'm standing in front of my door. We're going to go inside. I'm so excited for everyone to see it. It's been like a month process of getting all of this put together and really like painting and redoing everything. So I am super excited. But without further ado, let's head on in.